I'm going to install a UHF and the area at this Mitsubishi Triton 2018. Alright, let's get into it. Area is mounted, so the wire had to go through from here, there, and gonna go that way. Okay, going to the grommet. There's no other grommet on the other side, so and this particular vehicle had to go this way. Right, then right, the cable is through the firewall already. Right, and the power feed or ground we can get for the power feed. I can get from that. There's a fuse box over there, and for the location of this UHF units, I think I might just try to tap in here somewhere there. Then you just use the hook and loop tape, then it'll be fine. See how I go. Okay. There's a fuse diagrams here. We can get accessory fee from this fuse, which is here. Not sure how well I can see. I already removed the fuse. Which is this. So that this leg of the fuse connection is get the power from. For power grounds, so the ground side I put just mounted right here. Put a nut to secure the terminal, and the power side up here. Right here is the way this should sit. Okay. We're getting an RJ45 plug, which I was sitting here. So I'll show you once I have it.